Hello! Let's check ang presyo ng bilihin ngayong 2025. Okay. Namili ako dito. Canadian Superstore. At tingnan natin ang tanglad. Ito. Kung magkano. Let's check how much. This is tanglad. Okay. Let's check how much. Dalawa lang yan Dalawa lang yung lemongrass. It's $1.28. Okay. And then, ito. Tingnan natin kung magkano to. This is $1.29. Okay. And this one, broccoli. Super liit ng broccoli na to. How much? Broccoli is $1.89. And luya. Tingnan natin kung magkano yung luya. Ginger. Ganito kalaking ginger. Ginger. Oh, where's that? $2.15. Ayan. And then, bumili rin ako nito. Turkey. Ayan. It says $7.74. Yan. Tapos, spinach. $3. Spinach is $3. $3. And itong 4 na pirasong banana ay 4 na piraso lang yan. $1.40. 4 na piraso. And this one, patatas. Organic patatas. Ito ay $5.99. And this one, organic rosemary. It's $2.79. This one, mustard, is $2.99. That's it. Bye-bye.